Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see our suggestion yesterday was correct. Market indeed has moved slightly higher and has hit 1345 area. Well, that was mostly followed from the price behavior that we saw yesterday in the morning, how market responds to the important targets that we saw on the daily on the intraday charts. And right now, guys, it stands the big question on the retracement, because currently, guys, it's the red line. It's the last moment where a market could start retracement down, because every targets already have been completed. Market right now is calling around yearly pivot point that stands at 1330. Market mostly has tested the monthly pivot resistance once, 1347. Just a few cents hasn't reached it, but mostly stands in the same area. It's very close to the daily overbought. And what's more important than intraday charts, we see the completed or bearish reversal pattern. So that's the background that normally, in a normal technical situation, should lead to some retracement here. Besides, 1325 in the target, and ABCD target on the weekly chart. So all this background usually leads markets to show at least minor respect to this area. But as you know, right now gold is mostly driven by the geopolitical tensions. And right now it's a big question, what will happen next? Geopolitical arena. So today you know that Mr. Putin meets with the president of the South Korea. So maybe there you will find some solutions to the ongoing process. Maybe this will bring some relief to the markets. So indeed could happen. We just need to wait the final statement from the presidents. This should follow probably today, later in the session. And that really could bring some new information and could bring new driving factor for the gold market. But technically, guys, as I said, this is the last moment when the market has the chance and could start retracement down. Because if this will not happen, market will move higher and will exceed the 1345, 1347 area and moves above the monthly pivot resistance one. It will tell us the next destination is 1380 approximately. So we have some targets on the weekly chart, and we will discuss now weekly research. So next target starts at 1377, 1380. That will be next destination point. Let's see what we have on intraday charts. So on the intraday charts, indeed, market after the closing the gap here turns to the upside and hit 1618 extension. That's what we said. So currently, guys, theoretically, you have the background for taking the short because butterfly has been completed. This is not really very fast action. We're not seeing acceleration, just critical mostly fluctuations. Market has completed the target. And probably you could do the attempt going short against this top. But the price action that we see right now, it's really doesn't look very impressive. And here, guys, by taking the short position, you will have to gambling against the geopolitical situation that you can't control. So all that you could do is just to take the position, sit in the hands, and wait what Mr. On will say or what it will blast on the next time. So it will be a really difficult trade, guys. So pure psychological, it will be a bit difficult, but from the technical point, you have the chance. Maybe even we will get here. We have right now here some kind of divergence. I just missed to check this. So take a look. Yes, here indeed we have the divergence with the MACD. So again, as I said, the pure technical background looks very nice. So it's possible to take the short position. But as I said, it's most nervousness factor is the geopolitical issue. That's why you have to decide by yourself. Would you like to do this or not in the current circumstances? For me, it's best to wait for some bounce down, maybe to the 1308, to the daily support area that we have discussed, retesting of this top and trying to go long here instead of trying to go short at that moment. But I just share with you the chances that in general exist, the steps that we have in Butterfly here has been completed. Just make the decision. Would you like to take the part in this journey or not?